Here, I'll help you. You have to get your pants on. Here. One leg. Oh, you have nice pajamas too. We have nice jammies. This one. Okay, there's your bells. Hop up.
What's that?
Here, you want that one? What do you want to do with the other one? Here we go. And there's the camera, so I have the camera running, just so you know. Good morning. Oh, you're good at this. You're very good at this. You got other ones? I put the camera on this little stove there.
Oh. You want two? You want one for each hand?
Oh. That's a nice one. Hey, let's look outside. Let's see what it looks like outside, shall we? Good morning to you.
I'm taking a picture of this.
Okay, I'll take a picture of this. Look at that. Good morning, huh? Look at there. Let's get Mom in there too. There she is. Everybody's such a good sport. Okay. Good morning, everybody.